Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction, Bitcoin forecast, or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back, guys, when the Fed decision came or the Fed interest rate decision came. And as you see what happened today, because now it's 7 o'clock here, it's 6 o'clock GMT time. So as you see, the market tell where it went till here and it fell down till here now, because that was me have been telling you. But the good news, look at it here with me. What you seeing, guys? If you zoom in here, what you seeing here? What you seeing here in that zone here? It's coming the press conference after that, but me, I couldn't wait more because I need to get to you. The Fed increased the interest rate by 75% or 75 points, and that one is very good. That's what may have been telling you. Now you're going to see, guys, it's going back here to the chart. Now you're going to see, guys, after that a big going up waiting for me, because when the daily candle finishes, I'm going to come to you, because that one it just pushing up and down for the market to go down and up. But till now, there is nothing confirmed yet. We need the daily candle to finish. Then also we're going to come to you and we're going to tell you the decision, exactly what happened. So till now, it just those things here. And also here we are in a very stronger level, guys. As you see it, it's still holding for us. It doesn't being broke. So if you are an investor, not yet, guys, but you need to wait in that one, the trend line here to be broken, guys. I think now we are going to go higher, so you need to be close eye at those levels here, that one and that one. But the market is going to do at them. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying, for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying here is very close to that level here, as you see it, but it's not yet. I'm going to come to you when the daily candle finishes, guys. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. When also we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. So turn the notification to all, so like that you're going to be notified every time when also we put in a new video. And you, if you are a subscriber, smashing the like button help us to growing up more the channel. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying, for the picture to be more clear, because it's going to come press conference, guys. So I'm waiting it here. So let's see our other indicator, what it's saying, for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our other indicator, guys, what it's saying, I showed it to you before. You got here a very clear divergence like that, but not yet. Not yet, guys. Let's wait and what's going to come. It might, that one is at the bottom, but let's wait and now what's going to happen. As you see now, there is high volume here in the market. So let's go now to the 4 hours to see what 4 hours doing right now, for picture to be more clear to you guys. In the 4 hours, guys, as you see it, what the market done here, it was near to give us that pattern I told you before me, that head and shoulder like that. He came, he give it to you, but he doesn't break up, as you see it. Now that big red candle, as you see it, what it did, it came from here till here, a big volume happening here, as you see it, guys. But also we still have here that, what is named, that wage of us, it's still valid, as you see it. That the power of our analysis, guys, as you see it, that wage of us, it's still very, very stronger. It couldn't break it high. And me, I told you, if it's break high, you enter long, but it doesn't. So you're still waiting. If it's breaking for you high here, you enter long, guys. If it's break lower, you wait till it came the future and tell you something else. So till now, there is nothing yet confirmed, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, it's still down here in the control of the bears when there is no buyers yet. And here we still have that stronger level here down, that one. Every time he touch it, he going up, and in the top he give us here like a small triangle like that. So you need to wait in that one to break up and to break for you that wall we got in the middle. That's how you're going to know is the right time for you to buy. Till now there is no buying, no selling, guys. Everything's still in his place. Now the Bitcoin is going to go higher because the Fed, the news, it came positive. We're waiting now the Fed conference or Jerome Powell conference, what he's going to say. It's good to see our other indicator, what it's saying, for the picture to be more clear to you guys. That one, guys, I tell it to you before. I told you, is it here at the oversold area. The price action we got us is that wage, that one, and the level you got, you being here in a very stronger level, guys, as you see it. He go back now, he touch it here. Now it need either to break up here for you to enter long, or it needs to fall down to touch the lower of that wage here. But I don't think so, because the news, it came positive. The only thing the Fed, they said they are going to increase rate till it reach 4.4. So and that one, that meant there is more increasing in the future. But by the end of 2023, that's what me I told you guys. I told you the Bitcoin is going to make a rally till 2023, till the end of this year. So everything is too clear here. Let's go now to 30 minutes to see what 30 minutes doing right now, what the market doing right now for people, they are scalpers, to learn FOMC trading strategy. So let's go in there to see. As you see it guys here, it's very, very, very clear because in lower time frames, look at it. Give us here that cup and handle here. As you see it, it break for you the top of it here, but it's been a fake breakout as you see it here. Then now the candle, it fell down till here. By the way, the candle of the news, as you see it, how big it is. That's why me I told people, they follow me and my students don't enter at the time of news, because time of news, it's always happening something's not right. And yesterday, what else we said here we got, if you remember and you've been with us, we said here we got a wage. So you will have you enter from here. We said we got here a triangle like that. And we show you our indicator, it's been at the oversold area. Now let's see it where it is for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator guys, as you see it, it's been here at the oversold area. So you will have you enter from here, from that zone, and here in the top of that one will have you take profit here, exactly like that, because now it's been at the overbought area guys. So now I think there is another falling down, because till now also we are at the overbought area, and the price action, there is no price action actually here. The only one is that one. If you see with me that and that, let's make it like that, a wage like that, as you see it guys. So that one is the only one. So it's need to break for you here. If it's breaking for you here, you enter short guys. Till now that candle is showing there is a falling more, but I think me personally, I think it's going to go back because the news it came positive guys. I think everything is too clear guys. So that's it for today's video guys. See you when the daily candle finish it, and make sure to subscribe to our channel when the daily candle finish it. Also we're going to put for you a new video guys. Bye for now guys.